welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time since I have filmed a video for you. I am going to be filming a what I ate in a day video for you guys today. It has been highly requested. A lot of you guys always DM me on Instagram asking what I do every single day. So I figured, why not go ahead and make a video showing you everything that I eat, and hopefully that this can motivate you a little bit and kind of inspire you to get healthy. I'm gonna take you guys with me today, so let's get to it. Seriously, the most incredible day in Chicago in March. $60 degrees, sunny, light breeze, amazing. This is actually a already prepared meal. from Kitsch Fix that is local here to the Chicago area. And this is the tortilla-less turkey enchiladas. And the macros on this are so good. They're 5 fats, 30 carbs, 7 fiber, and 29 protein. So excited to dig into this one. All right, you guys, that is it. That is my full day of eating. I hope you guys got some good tips from that, maybe some healthy motivation to kickstart your health journey. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this, if you like watching them. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one.